So bakit nga ba malaking kinikita ng mga construction virtual assistant at pwede bang maging construction virtual assistant kahit walang background sa construction? Hi, I'm Mary and I teach people how to start working from home. Just to start, construction virtual assistants or construction VA is a niche that pays well because insurance-backed projects yung mga clients nyo. Meaning, real budget, real systems, at long-term retainers. Hindi siya yung mga one-time tasks lang, although meron mga naliligaw na ganun pa rin. But, guess what? Sa construction virtual assistants, hindi mo kailangan ng degree. Ulitin ko lang kasi ito yung pinakang common. Kailangan ba architect ka? Kailangan ba engineer ka? No. It does help. May edge talaga pagka meron ka nun, just like any other VA jobs. But more than that, if you have the willingness to learn, you're able to retain information, may common sense ka, kayang-kaya mo to. Kaya nga yung pinakang focus nung construction VA class namin dun sa 8 hours is yung SACTEMET, so software basics. Hindi namin kayo bibigyan ng access. Mahal po yun. 40,000 po yun bakla. Pero bibigyan namin kayo ng mga sample work. EMS versus reconstruction workflow. Estimating, sketches, documentation, reports that are ready for clients and carriers. All in one day. So super practical and it will definitely help you become client ready. We have an upcoming class on March 20th. March 20 nga ba? Shoot, sorry. Oh girl, tama ang pagkakaalala ko. March 20, may class kami, 999 pesos lang. May kasama na po itong internship na output-based. Kasama na rin yung internship tasks ninyo. So 2 weeks, dapat 2 weeks yung ano nyo. Yung iba nagpapa-extend. 2 weeks yung internship, output-based siya. If you guys wanna join, check the link in my bio or punta kayo sa Blue pagkatapos mag-comment kayo sa kahit anong post dyan ng Construction VA and we'll send you over the link para maka-join. So kung naghahanap kayo ng pwede nyo i-offer na service as a virtual assistant, hindi pa kayo sure, but this is something that you feel like you can do, mag-comment na kayo dyan and comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for my work from home chismis. We'll see you sa classroom. Bye! Ay guys, deadline na nga pala ito, mag-close na to kasi sa Friday na yung class from 1 till 8 p.m. and kailangan nyo pang matapos yung onboarding bago kayo makasama sa live class, okay? Bye!